good afternoon, everyone. We made it up here for the flag retreat. Obviously, this is a very different start from what we're used to doing, but I want to welcome you guys here to Disneyland for another exciting day with the Exploring Yeti. I don't have any plans today. Actually, no, I do. I want to ride the train. That's going to be first. We're going to hit the train, ride it all the way around, and I also want to do ride It's a Small World. So that's my only two plans that I have today. It's almost 4 o'clock. We're gonna ride out through the park until closing till midnight. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It rained a little bit on the drive up here from San Diego. Traffic was pretty good, actually, believe it or not. So with that said, let's enjoy our day here at Disneyland. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That's our channel here. More content, Disney content, vacations are coming up. All right, you guys, so let's head over to the train. Let's take a trip around the park on the train, and then from there, who knows? But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to Exploring Yeti. That's our channel here. All right, let's have a day. All right, so as we're waiting here for the train, it's actually a 25-minute wait. Let's take a look at some wait times while we're at it. The train right now is a 25-minute wait. Moving over to Indiana Jones at 75 minutes, Jungle Cruise is 50, Pirates of the Caribbean 40, Hana Mansion 120, Splash Mountain, which we could always do, is a 15-minute wait, and Winnie the Pooh, that's a 20-minute wait. If we can, I'd like to make it over to Rise of Resistance. That's a 105-minute wait. We may do that later. We'll see. Smugglers Run, that's a 90-minute wait, but you guys know about Smugglers Run. We can always hit that single rider queue. We also have all the way over in Toontown, Gadget's Coaster is 35, Roger Rabbit's 80. Small World right now is a 30-minute wait, which that's not bad. We could always do that. Let's take a look at Fantasyland. My goodness, today's not going to be a day for a Fantasyland speed run. I can tell you that. However, Matterhorn, you know how I like Matterhorn. I get my back rearranged. It's always fun. Autopia, wow, 45 minutes for Autopia, guys. Holiday crowds. Space Mountain, 110. Star Tours, 35. Buzz, geez. So, like I said, it's looking like it's going to be a pretty busy day here in the park. The same thing with California Adventure. The wait times are pretty high. But despite that, we're going to try to make it a fantastic day today. We're still waiting for the train. It's taking a while to come around. I'm still out here outside. All right. Anyway, let's take the train. Stay warm as well. Well, we did a whole loop around on the train and a quarter. So we got off at New Orleans Square over here. It is super busy over here. Jeez. I think it is time to go eat. So I'm in the mood for a ronto wrap. Let's head over to Batu and grab a ronto wrap. And while we're over there, we'll check the wait time for Rise of the Resistance. But like I said, it's super busy over here, you guys. What's the wait time for Hana Mansion? I don't know. They don't have the wait time. Let's go for a walk. Instead of heading over and getting a ronto wrap, I'm over here by the Hungry Bear restaurant. I'm going to try their seasonal offerings. So I got a spicy barbecue cheeseburger, spicy barbecue bacon cheeseburger, and I also got their loaded French fries. So I'm going to try that out. And then we're going to head over to Rise of the Resistance, check out the wait time over there, and just roam around Batu probably for a little bit, and just move on to our next attraction. It's a laid back day, guys. Got one thing I wanted to do done, and then later is going to be Small World. So let's go grab our food and have a bite to eat. Well, got my food, got a chair, and show you guys what I got before I dig in. Of course, got a whole bunch of ketchup and mayonnaise. Does anyone else mix their ketchup and mayonnaise when they dip their fries? No, just me? Okay, fine. I also got some ranch, but this is the spicy barbecue bacon burger, and I also got some ice and some ice water. And there's a loaded fries back there for you guys. So this looks delicious. I'm gonna take my time, enjoy the lovely scenery here, overlooking the rivers of America. All right, you guys. Let's dig in. I finished all of, well, actually no, not all of my food. That was way too many French fries, you guys. So I didn't finish all of my French fries because it was a ton. My cold, numb fingers press extra French fries way too many times, and so I had plenty of French fries left over. Anyway, we're done with Hungry Bear restaurant. The spicy barbecue bacon cheeseburger was delicious, and the loaded French fries, you guys, that was a sleeper hit. Super delicious. So if you guys are over there, be sure and get the loaded French fries. Right now we're gonna head over to Batu. I'm gonna check out the standby line, see what the wait time is. It was down when I was looking at it earlier. Whew, that queue line is looking pretty long, you guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Alrighty, it is super busy over here at Rise of the Resistance. They had just opened up the ride, like right when I walked up, and there's a huge group of people. They were all pushing, and I was just like, no, I'm not gonna do this right now. So maybe I might come back at 8 o'clock, like right when they shut the ride down or shut down the queue, and ride at that point. But this is gonna be a no-go for right now, guys. So where do we go from here? Well, I say we just walk around and take in the scenery. Remember, my only goal today was actually to ride It's a Small World at nighttime. So I think I'm gonna jump in line for a Small World like 11:50, and that'll be my last ride of the night. But right now, no plans, no goals, just wander around. All right, let's continue through Batu. Everyone, well, I walked around almost the entire park. And after the whole thing over in Batu with Rise of the Resistance, I had to walk. So during that walk, I called my wife, wished her a happy work day at work. As some of you may or may not know, my lovely wife is a nurse. She works in urgent care now. She was a ER nurse, and she stepped down from that and went into urgent care. She's much happier over there in urgent care. So, wish our healthcare heroes happy day. I don't know. they're doing a lot of work there. Anyway, I'm gonna need some coffee in order to survive the rest of this day. So I'm gonna head over to Starbucks over on Main Street. Gonna grab some coffee and then continue along our day out here in Disneyland. Oh, look, Star Tours is 25-minute wait. It's not bad, guys. All right, let's go grab some coffee. All right, it is done. We have our coffee, also a venti ice water. It's not parched, like real parched, you guys. Hey, if you guys get Starbucks, if you guys get a custom order, leave a comment down below and let me know what your custom order is, because this just a double shot of blonde espresso, oat milk, and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. That's it. That's what I get over ice normally. So the one time I did go to get a quad shot, I just got vaccinated and I was down for 2 days, and then when I was finally alive enough, I got a quad shot and I went crazy, you guys. I was mowing the front and the backyard and just like doing all sorts of chores. Anyway, no quad shot today, just a double shot. All right, let's enjoy this. Let's formulate a plan, and then I'll get back to you guys after I kind of figure out what I'm going to do. Well, I have a game plan. Here's what we're going to do for now. I wanted to ride Rise of Resistance. You know, guys, I really love that ride, so I want to ride it today. Here's what we're going to do, though. We're going to head over to Pirates. We're going to ride Pirates. That should put us like close to 8 o'clock when they're going to close down the ride. And then we'll just hop over to Rise of Resistance, into the queue before 8 o'clock, and we'll just wait. You know, if it's going to be an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, we'll just wait. No problem. All right. I finished my coffee, finished my water. It's time to head over to Pirates. Let's do it. We are done with Pirates of the Caribbean. That was almost like a 15-20 minute wait. So while I was about to get off the ride, I checked wait times and I was looking at Rise of the Resistance, which is currently an 80-minute wait. But then, which I thought it closes at 8 o'clock, actually closes at 9:30 p.m. today. So I think I want to try something a little bold, a little daring. Instead of heading over to Batu, I'm actually going to go over to Guardians of the Galaxy. It is a 55-minute wait. So if we hop in line at, I don't know, 8:15, it'll probably take us like 10 minutes to walk over there. Hopefully we should be done with the ride before 9 o'clock. What do you guys think? Think that's too bold and too daring? I don't think so. I think we should go for it. Let's go for a ride on Guardians, you guys. We're gonna do this. All right. Whew. Good thing I had coffee. All right, let's go for a walk, long walk. All right, you guys, we made it over here. We're stepping in line at 8:09, 8:10, we'll call it 8:10. It is a posted 65-minute wait. So we are gonna try to ride this and then hop over back to Disney and step in line for Rise of Resistance before 9:30. That sounds like a challenge, you guys. so let's do a challenge. Let's do a quick challenge. Yeah, that sounds good. All right. Whew. That was a long walk. You guys know what to do, right? You gotta scan those hands.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Hana Bond's private office. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Front row, stay clear. The sliding gate closes at rocket speed.
Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Is that Disneyland? This is so cool! You got my watch there. It's here. Thanks, everybody.
Done and done. Guardians of the Galaxy. Done. Mission breakout. It is actually 9 o'clock on the nose, so that was, what do we say? We got in line 8:10, 9 o'clock, so 55 minutes wait time, and with the attraction as well. Oh my goodness, that line is so much shorter now. It's crazy. It's always like that though, right? It's either one way or the other. Either we get in line when there is no one in line, or we get in line when everyone's in line. It's probably what, like, it's got to be a 30, 45 minute wait now. All right, we're not gonna check. So we're going to head over to Rise of the Resistance. We're gonna hop in line. Hopefully it's a shorter wait than 55 minutes. We'll see, but let's go ahead and walk back over to Disneyland and ride Rise of the Resistance. Rise of the Resistance. It is a 65-minute wait at this time, and we're just gonna go ahead and hop in and do it. Whew. As I was saying, that was a very quick walk. the fireworks were going off, so Main Street was packed with people. I mean, packed with people. So I was a salmon swimming upstream against all those people, and then the fireworks ended, and it just got worse. That's okay. All right, so 65 minutes. Time is 9:22. So about 9:20, we stepped in line. We're here until this attraction closes. So hour and 5 minutes. Let's go.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Deck is in motion. Recruit multi-way transport.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. Black leader, we're picking up.
We've been found. They asked who the captain was. I raised my hand, but didn't recognize my documentation for my captain training. Here goes our lovely transport. Nine Num, I got some words for you, but you didn't direct us to the right place. Look at those pristine armored units. All right. Hello. All right, let's keep walking. Again, I gotta know who does their floors here. They are squeaky clean.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
All right.
Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. All right, nice job, recruits.
Thank
Not
you.
what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant?
That is done. It is 10:22. So almost one whole hour to get through the entire queue line and the attraction. Guys, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Sanitized for good measure. All right, you guys, well, we still have an hour and a half about until the park closes. I wanted It's a Small World to be my last ride of the night. So trying to formulate some kind of plan to maybe go to Space Mountain, maybe ride that, do a little bit of single rider, or Star Tours, maybe Buzz, or I don't know, guys. Let's think about it. All right, everyone. So let's see if we can formulate a game plan. Let's look at some wait times. It's almost 10:30. So Millennium Falcon, Smugglers Run is only a 50-minute wait. Circling around over to Big Thunder, that's a 20-minute wait. We might want to head over there and do that. Fantasyland, wait times are looking pretty low. Of course, Peter Pan is always going to be a high wait. Matterhorn, I don't know. It might be a Matterhorn kind of day. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Maybe later? Right before, maybe before we do Small World. So we can go to the chiropractor, bobsleds, and then we can do Small World. Autopia is a 10-minute wait. Space Mountain is 65. We can always do single rider for that. Star Tours 15, Buzz 15. We can head back over and do Indiana Jones. That's a 45-minute wait. That's also a single rider. We might want to do Hana Mansion because I don't think my wife is going to want to do Hana Mansion with the holiday overlay again. She likes to do it just one time for the season, and that's it. I think that's a good idea. Let's go over to Hana Mansion. Let's make sure it's a 13-minute wait or a walk-on, almost, and we'll go ride that. All right, let's go have a walk. Mickey down there, guys. I don't know if you see it. There's a few actually. The plates, there's one of the plates, the snow. A whole bunch of hidden Mickeys down there, guys. Oogie boogie. Well, with wait times decreasing, I don't think we need to really check the app anymore for wait times. We can just walk by the attraction, see what the wait time is, and see what we want to do. So Hana Mansion, not a 13-minute wait, a little bit more. That's okay. So it's fun to ride. That'll be the last time I think that I'm going to ride Hana Mansion with the holiday overlay. And then it goes back to regular Hana Mansion, and then we'll ride it again. So at this time, I'm going to go over to Big Thunder. I'm going to check the wait time over there. It says 20 minutes, but you know Big Thunder, that's a fast loading ride, so it's probably be less than 20 minutes. We have, oh, it's 11:03. So, like, I'd say we have less than 50 minutes to get a couple more rides in, and then head over to Small World and ride It's a Small World. Remember, that's our big goal for the day, is riding It's a Small World. We already did the train, rode it all the way around, and now it's Small World. At 11:50, that's the time we're gonna walk in the queue. All right, let's check out Big Thunder, and then I think we're gonna head over to Tomorrowland, maybe ride Space Mountain, single rider, maybe Star Tours, I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's head over there. Oh, it still says 20 minutes. Let's go over here, let's check the queue. It is backed up to here. You know what? We're just gonna go ahead and do it. 20 minutes, it doesn't look like it's backed up too far. Let's hop in line. All right, guys, it's time to best remove them. Yeah, now that we had a ride on the wildest ride in the wilderness, you know what time is it? 22. I wonder if we can take it to space. Let's go to the hub. Let's go to Tomorrowland. So, for the sake of saving time, we're gonna do the single rider queue today. It is a 30-minute wait for Space Mountain, but we're just gonna bypass as much of that as possible and try to hit the or cut that time in half so we can go over to Small World and ride It's a Small World. All right, let's see how bad this single rider line is. All right, so important information to know. They no longer have single rider for Space Mountain anymore. Like, really, guys? Come on, Disney. You guys need to bring back single rider for Space Mountain. That's kind of that's foul play. Single rider is closed. That they said that because they opened up Lightning Lane for Space Mountain, it is no longer available, and that's, I don't know. Let me check the app. Okay, so let's take a look at the app and see what the app says. For Space Mountain, right now the standby is 30 minutes. All right, so you see the Lightning Lane, and we go down, we see some more details. But let's click on this right here and see what this says. This drop down, other information. What does that say right there, guys? Single rider offered. So Disney, you guys need to update that app. If there's no longer single rider offered for that ride, it needs to come off the app, all right? That's kind of ridiculous. We're gonna head over to Small World. Just go ahead and get in line and ride Small World. That may or may not be our last ride. Ooh, look at that, so cold. See my breath. All right, there it is. It's a Small World, but the holiday overlay. It's been a very long time since I rode this ride. I'm glad that it's back and operating. Yeah. So, that said, let's go in, let's ride. It's Small World. You know, this might be our last ride, and then because we do have a long walk back to the car, and it's already 11:40. So, you guys ready? It's a Small World? All right, let's do it.
and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
All right, everyone, that's it. That's midnight. The park is closed. Time to make our way out. It's actually 12:01. So, time to walk back to the car. Glad I was able to see It's a Small World with the holiday overlay. Very magical. Touched my heart. Yeah. All right, let's walk back. Let's get out of here. Call it a day. We got everything we wanted to do done with a few bonuses, right? Cool. All right, let's go. All right, everyone. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here for today. Not a bad day. Pretty chill. We had a couple goals. We even did a challenge. We went across the park and got in the queue line for Rise of Resistance right before the queue closed. Good day in Disney. I can't complain. The lovely castle lit up behind me as we are approaching the end of the holidays. And New Year is right on the cusp right there. It's at the end of the week, today being Tuesday. So with that said, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone has set their goals, and if you haven't set your goals, that's all right too. It's okay. I wish to grow as a person and grow the channel and more storytelling and more vacationing and more exploring. That's all my goals for right now. That's just coming off the top of my head. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We'll see you guys again. Be safe, be kind, and also drive safe or ride safe, because the roads are really crazy. All right, that's the castle right there. Gonna leave it off on that. Have a good night, everyone. Happy New Year.